In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a buy one get one promotion in Shopify. Whether you're a seasoned store owner or just getting started, promotions like this are a fantastic way to attract customers and increase sales. So, let's get right into it. Firstly, head over to the left-hand panel of your Shopify admin interface. In this column, you should see various options, but for this purpose, we're focusing on discounts. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're in the discount section, you'll want to look for the option to create discount. This option allows you to craft different types of promotions, and it's crucial for getting things started. Next, among the discount types, you'll find an option called Buy X Get Y. Select this to proceed. Essentially, this is the type of promotion we're setting up, where a customer buys one item and gets another item for free or at a discount. Once you've clicked on this, you'll need to decide whether this promotion will be available with a discount code or if it will be an automatic discount. If you choose a discount code, customers will need to input this code at checkout. Conversely, an automatic discount will apply without any action needed from the customer's end. Consider which option is more suited to your sales strategy and customer convenience. In the following interface, you'll find two main sections: Customer Buys and Customer Gets. In these areas, you can specify the items included in your promotion. For the Customer Buys section, select the products or collections that qualify a customer for this offer. Similarly, in the Customer Gets section, choose the products or collections that a customer will receive. Don't forget you also have the option to specify the quantities involved in this promotion. Make sure to tailor this to fit your business goals. You might have a particular collection you want to promote more aggressively. Once you've set the products, you need to set the eligibility criteria. Decide who can access these discounts. Maybe it's only for first-time buyers, or perhaps you'd like to offer it to everyone. Also, consider the maximum amount of times this discount can be used, either per customer or across your store. Be mindful of setting active dates for the promotion. You might want this offer to run for a specific weekend, or perhaps during a holiday season, so ensure the start and end dates reflect your intentions accurately. After reviewing all your settings to make sure everything is correct and aligned with your goals, hit the Save button. And there you have it, your Buy One Get One promotion is now set up and ready to go in your Shopify store. That's all there is to it. Following these steps will help you set up an enticing offer that can draw more customers to your store and enhance your sales efforts effectively. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more useful Shopify tips and tricks.